Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. We have another cute wig that comes to us from Outre. If you want to get all the tea, girls, stay tuned. So before we get started with the wig review, today we have a collaboration with Miss Tia Marie. She is here on YouTube. We collabed last year this time, and I was grateful to collab with her again. She is wonderful, and she brings a lot of educational content to her channel. She shows you everything from cutting off lace, different color wigs, different kind of textures, different kind of looks. She definitely does different things with wigs over on her channel, and I think that her channel is pretty fun. I like that she isn't afraid to explore. Her channel is a little different than mine in that a lot of the wigs she doesn't do like baby hairs and stuff with it. I like to get another take on something that I love, which is wigs. So it's great to watch her from time to time and see how she does it, you know, depending on the way she wears wigs. I know she does a lot with the wig company, and I've worked with them as well. So if you guys, after you watch my video, go ahead on and go over and give her a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. So the wig that we have today comes from the Melted Hairline. You guys know this is one of my favorite. The name of this one is going to be Luellen. So it is a 14-inch wavy bob with a left side part. Yes, y'all know I love me a left side part. This wig comes in so many gorgeous colors, you guys, and the dark roots on this wig makes this wig look so natural. So as you can see, it comes in an array of colors. Outre really did their thing on that. And what I'm showing you guys is you get the HD lace on here and everything. So I have it in the color that the model is wearing, which is ginger brown. It has been one of my favorites. Can y'all see the sexiness and stuff I am serving right here? This hair is super sexy and really cute. So you can wear it, you know, tamed, where it's nice and flat, or you guys can wear it where it's kind of puffed out. I will tell you, I did have a couple pros and cons when it came to this wig. So y'all know the Melted Hairline, you get your two combs in there on the side and a comb in the back, and you get the strap. The strap in the back is not adjustable, and you also get that comb in the back, which is really nice. So after that, I went ahead and I cut the lace up around the ear tab. So the lace comes down pretty long, you guys, so you're gonna have to cut that up. You can do it on, or you can take and do it off of your head. What I did here was, I didn't want to put too much spray on the side, but I wanted my sides to lay down. So I took and put a little bit, like a dab of glue on the side to lay that down, and then I went in with my bed head so that I could get it to lay back and lay down properly on the side. So it flowed back really good, and when I do it like this technique, it makes it seem like it's coming from my scalp, and it's minimal effort, so anybody can do it. And the glue that I'm using is a new glue that I got with one of the wigs, I think maybe last month sometime. And it has a pinpoint applicator on there, which is really nice, you guys. So I just took and put that on. So this bang was giving me all this swoopage action. It was like swoopity swoop. I like the bang. And what I did was I went in and freeze that in place. And then I did the same thing to the base. I put a little, you know, spray down there. So I did have to take a couple stragglers off the bottom. That long side, I had to push that back. But other than that, you guys, this is an effortless everyday wig. She's a gem. I think she's something that anybody can wear, and she gives me some sexy vibes. Let's go ahead on and let's get into pros and cons, because yeah, this one was really cute. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look for this one, and it is super cute. So I'm liking this cut on the side. I did go in, I have been wearing it for just like a couple hours or whatever, and I went in and I was fluffing it out a little bit, and I really like it. I fell in love with this ginger brown color about a year ago, and I've loved it since then. So parting area on this looks good. The length is really nice. You can flatten it down more, or you can like poof it out a little bit. The good thing about this one is you could dress it up or you could dress it down. So yeah, I like it. I think it's super cute. I don't really have any cons. I'm getting up on it so you guys can see. I only put down this side over here. So yeah, this one's cute. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like all this bounce over here on the side? I do like it. I'm looking in my mirrors because I have mirrors everywhere. And I like the bounce of it. I like how it moves and everything. I'm not sure longevity on this. The good thing is I did get a little bit of frizzing or fuzz with it, but I can run my fingers through it. Like, look at that. You can really get through it, and it's not like tangling or anything. So that's really nice. So let me know if you guys like Luellen. Yeah, I think I seen
I think I saw Miss Chrissy post, but I haven't actually watched the video, so I haven't seen anybody's video to see what other people's thoughts are about it. So if you are a YouTuber and one of my YouTube friends and watch it, let me know if you've reviewed this one. Do you like it? Are you like, is it a must-have for you? I feel like the melted hairline, you can't go wrong because you're going to get a great parting area, and the front of it, the lace is going to look good, so you usually can't go wrong with that. Those of you who are my returning subscribers and my YouTube babes, hey girl, hey, how you doing? How are you guys liking this wig? Do you like the curls in it? Come on, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it in the comment section below. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Happy 2022 to you and your loved ones. I hope you guys have a fantastic year. This year, we are going to grow even more. I feel like more than ever before. So you guys definitely stick around. Share the videos here on YouTube. You can just hit share and share them here on YouTube. Share them with family and friends so other people can come over here and get the tea on these wigs, okay? The information on purchasing will be in the description box. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.